Happy Friday, New Mexico. It's time for some feel-good food. Today, it's Natillas. Let's get these ingredients here. You can find a recipe online for this really anywhere, but today we're starting with 4 cups of milk. You're going to want to get your favorite saucepan, throw it on the stove, add the milk, and put it on low. We just want to heat it. 4 eggs now, separate them out, start with the yolks. Dry ingredients, sugar, flour, and salt. You're going to combine those with your only wet ingredient, which should be your yolks at this point. Put your mixer on medium, you're going to whisk it together, and at first you might be alarmed because it's going to look like this, kind of chunky, but as you cream it down, it'll get nice and smooth. Now you're going to want to get 1 cup of your warm milk from the stove, and we're going to temper this custard at this point. Bring it up to temperature, scrape the bottom. You're going to want to get all that goodness that's hiding from us. Combine that with the rest of your milk that's on the stove, and you're going to want to whisk it again, make sure that it's nice and smooth, no chunks. Reduce it on medium heat, so that means bring it to a slow boil to thicken up. Heading back to our eggs now. Get those 4 egg whites, and we're going to whisk them together to make stiff peaks just like this, kind of like a meringue. You're going to save some of it for a topping, but if your health condition doesn't allow you to eat raw stuff like that, don't do it. Go grab your custard off of the stove now, combine it with those egg whites, and you're going to want to fold them in. Don't stir it and break it up. Now add some vanilla to taste and you're done. New Mexico, stay home, stay safe this weekend, and keep cooking. I'm Hawker Vanguard.